Buy one, get one 30% off sale. Call Bell Brothers now at 916-444-1234 or find us online at theNoSurpriseGuys.com.
Parking.
If you believe we on the Armstrong and Getty Show would never steer you wrong, you've got to try out craveable, deliciously affordable restaurant meals like the signature meals of the best restaurants in Sacramento and the Bay Area, shipped right to your doorstep for less than you pay at the restaurant. Less than menu prices, no delivery charges, cheaper than dining out, no taxes, no tips, no extra fees. Quality stunning. I had gumbo the other night. Oh, I'd order it every time, but I ate it at home. Craveable.com. That's craveable.com. That's a counter to the easy 20 food. 20 food for that. Craveable.com.
Approaching to point. Parking.
Country, R&B, tons of playlists, even podcasts. Our history, a perfect holiday soundtrack. Join the millions of listeners on the iHeartRadio app. Free never sounded so good.
Approaching to point. Parking.
Dozens of hostages.
Israel's security ministry now saying the Israeli ceasefire in Gaza will begin on Friday morning, which is when Hamas is supposed to release their hostages. In the meantime, Israel making it clear hostage release only
Approaching to point. Parking.
diplomacy.
Approaching to point.
Continue their war until they achieve their goal, which includes destroying the whole, freeing all the hostages.
Approaching to point.
U.S.-Canadian border crossing. New York Governor Kathy Hochul. It crashed into a Customs and Border Patrol booth, and the car in the booth immediately exploded. Burst into flames. I saw the video of an airborne vehicle. It was absolutely surreal.
Approaching to point.
The governor of Kentucky declared a state of emergency after a freight train derailed in Rockcastle County. Two towns have been evacuated. So far, so good at the nation's airports on this busy travel day. TSA wait times are now considerably
Parking.
last year.
Approaching to point.
And we're still going to have to get through Sunday when just about everybody is home. You're listening to ABC News.
California's capital city, now trending on KSBJ, Sacramento's News Radio.
Good evening from the KSBJ Newsroom. I'm Jensen Rader with your top stories. The California Highway Patrol is increasing statewide efforts to combat organized retail crime as the annual holiday shopping season begins.
These operations and efforts will result in increased safety for shoppers, and retailers.
CHP Commissioner Sean DeGree said
Parking.
this year the anti-retail theft operation has grown to new areas.
We've expanded our area and our efforts to include and the Central Valley. These two new areas of focus have yielded close to $1 million in assets recovered.
CHP says they are adding proactive and high-visibility patrols as well as undercover operations. This as a big retail theft ring has been busted in Southern California. ABC's Alex Stone has details.
The recovered stash was big, like pallets and pallets of expensive electronics big, filling a warehouse. The California Highway Patrol says a special retail theft team arrested a couple, Manuel Revelorio and Alondra Cuevas, for taking part in a large-scale theft ring, stealing items from big-box retailers. When search warrants were carried out this week, the CHP finding over $9.5 million worth of stolen stuff allegedly linked to them. Shoes, clothing, electronics.
And Revelorio is allegedly connected to another ring that netted another $9 million worth of stuff earlier this year. Alex Stone, ABC News, Los Angeles.
And a California appeals court is ruling that researchers can get back to work on their gun violence research by looking at gun owners' personal information. There's testified
Last year's decision by a judge that sharing that information violated privacy rights. In 2021, Governor Newsom signed a law allowing the state Department of Justice to release personal information of 4 million gun owners to researchers studying gun violence. That info comes from permit applications. Gun rights advocates sued the state over privacy concerns. The judge ruled to block the law in October. Attorney General Aponte said the state will resume releasing this information after the ruling is official. Matt Bassini, KSBK, Sacramento News Radio.
Next update in 30 minutes. Jensen Rader, KSBK, Sacramento News Radio.
Now, Sacramento traffic. Good evening. This report sponsored by Elk Grove Ford. In Davis, you're stuck in a parade of vehicles eastbound 80 after Richards Boulevard behind a two-vehicle accident taking away the right shoulder. Sacramento eastbound Cap before the river, there's a vehicle with their hood up blocking the left lane. And in Woodland, County Road 99, both directions between Kentucky Avenue and I-5, the roadway blocked by a possible head-on crash since about 5:30 to tow truck 7 Questa. Algrove Ford, you'll always get that best price when you choose from their great inventory of new Ford models and quality pre-owned cars, trucks, and SUVs, including certified pre-owned Ford models. Go to outgroveford.com to get pre-approved for financing today. All financing on approved credit. Traffic on the Thames every 10 minutes. Mornings and afternoons. Steve Berner, KBK News Radio 93.1 FM, 1530 AM. Now, Sacramento weather.
Tonight we'll see cloudy skies most of the time. Expect a nighttime low of 41 to 45. Thanksgiving Day tomorrow, mostly sunny. A high Thanksgiving, 68 to 72. Plenty of sunshine on tap for Friday. A high of 64 to 68 for Friday. I'm AccuWeather's Drew Shannon on KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio.
Next update in less than 30 minutes. Breaking news the second it happens on KFBK News Radio. Sacramento's news, traffic, and weather station.
Looking to switch your phone service? Check out Boost Infinite Wireless. Its new technology switches between its own network and the other top 2 networks to find the best quality calls and data for you anywhere, anytime. And you can get a low-priced, unlimited wireless plan that gives you a new iPhone every year. So switch today. Call 855